If you give me 20 minutes, I will show you how these websites earn me more than $1,000 every month with a very low starting investment, no experience necessary, and all while working from home only a few minutes a day. You don't believe me, right? Well, let me explain. Honestly, it is very simple. I access my affiliate account through the system. I then connect my website domain. If I don't have one, I can purchase one right on the platform. Next, I pick the sales funnel I want, and finally, I promote and drive traffic to the funnel. And that's it. For each sale, I make about $50. However, all the products are on monthly subscriptions. So the following month, I will make another commission from the same initial sale without investing any more time or money driving traffic to my website. That means from my second month on, I'm making 100% profit from my sale. That's right. What's great is that I can make a new sale every day. When I do, I will grow my number of recurring clients as well. Today, I have more than 50 active clients that earn me a passive income of more than $700 monthly. However, what's cool about the system is that I only actively made 20 of those 50 sales, even though I make commissions from them all. How do I do that? Well, it's because I make money through a leveraged affiliate system. So this is the overview of the business model, okay? Connect your domain, promote a funnel, make a sale, earn recurring commissions, and leverage your network of affiliates. Best of all, with this system, you will learn how to build other online businesses too, because you have access to all the digital marketing tools you need for success, plus trainings, community, and so much more. If you are ready to learn more about how you can take advantage of this amazing business opportunity and use the same system to work for you, please write more info in the comment section or click on the link above this video.
My name is Barbie Figueroa from Fort Lauderdale, Florida, and I'm super excited because in the last 90 days, I've earned $2,800 with Builderall.
Hey, Gene Hank is here with my daughter Emily, and we're from New York City, and we're excited because within a couple of months we've been able to earn over $5,000, and all thanks to Builderall. I'll see you guys. Peace.
My name's Liam, I'm from Manchester in England, and I've made over $25,000 with Builderall.
Hi from Italy, my name is Salvatore. I am so excited because in the last 5 months I have earned more than $9,000.
Hey guys, Vinny here with partnerwithvinny.com, and I'm very excited for Builderall. I've made over $263.70 in 48 hours using the Builderall platform.